Hello everyone, welcome back to TechJams. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Siri if it's not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is up to date. Open the Setting app, then scroll down and tap on General. From here, tap Software Update. And if there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Also, keep in mind that the latest Apple Intelligence features only work on supported iPhone models, such as iPhone 17 Pro and newer. Now, let's check your internet connection. Head back to your setting, then tap Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a stable network. You can also open Control Center and turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. If that didn't help, let's check your Siri restrictions. Go back to your setting, scroll down a bit and tap on screen time. Then open content and privacy. And then tap on Siri and make sure your Siri is allowed. And if still it is not working, let's reset Siri. Go back to the main setting page and scroll down until you find Siri. Here, tap on Request. Then turn off Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. Wait a few seconds, then turn them back on and follow the on-screen instructions to set up Siri again. One last thing to check is the language settings. Open your setting and go to General. Then tap on Language and Region and make sure your iPhone language is correct. After that, go back to Siri, then tap on Language and make sure it matches your iPhone language. And then tap Responses and turn on Prefer Spoken Responses. Now give Siri another try. Hopefully it is working again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechJams for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.